Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3R Research Actionable Update.
Hello everyone, welcome back to exciting 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. We initiate viewpoint on Inox Wind Limited with a positive view and expect 35% upside potential. IWL's EV of 3,500 crore rupees and our valuation estimate of 2,500 crore rupees for its O&M business indicated that market is ascribing negligible value to its WTG business, which is poised for significant turnaround. Higher order execution of 400 to 600 MW over FY22-24 estimates, better realization led by wind power tariff stability, technological improvement and improvement in business mix toward high margin WTG sales would turn IWL profitable. We expect PAT of 382 crore rupees in FY24 estimates versus net loss of 306 crore rupees in FY21. Moreover, potential monetization of the O&M business with an IPO would unlock value and help in balance sheet deleveraging. Any slippage in management's turnaround strategy is key risk to our call, and early turnaround would further add to the upside potential of IWL. At CMP, the stock trades at 4.9x FY24 estimated EV by EBITDA. Next on the radar is Laurus Labs Limited. The analyst has reiterated by recommendation on Laurus Labs with an unchanged price target of 800 rupees. The recent stock price correction of 16% from its highs was attributable to regulatory concerns leading to suspension of marketing authorization of generic medicines in US and Europe. However, the management has clarified of no suspension in marketing authorization for its products, and this points at concerns being overdone. Basis the steady growth prospects, well supported by capacity expansion plans, Laurus has targeted for $1 billion revenues by FY 2023, thus translating into a strong growth trajectory. Diversification of revenue base, plans to enter into new therapeutic areas of cardiology and anti-diabetes would also be the key growth drivers. At CMP, the stock trades at 24.8x and 19x is FY22 and 23 estimated EPS respectively. Also, for second quarter FY22, the company's earning trajectory is expected to be intact with performance being driven by commissioning of new capacities and sustained demand traction across segments. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure documents issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3R Research Actionable Update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.